Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to witness is not just a car. This is a rolling thunderstorm of carbon fiber, horsepower, and unapologetic excess. I'm talking about the Mansory Venatus SE, the wildest, most outrageous transformation of the Lamborghini Urus SE plug-in hybrid. And it just dropped in Monaco like a supernova on wheels. Now let's set the stage. The Monaco Yacht Show, the playground of billionaires, where yachts bigger than buildings park in Port Hercules, and where luxury is not an option, it's a way of life. And right there, surrounded by floating palaces worth hundreds of millions, Mansory decided to unleash their latest monster. Forget about yachts, forget about champagne, because all eyes locked onto one beast, the Venatus SE. This isn't just a tuned SUV. No, no, no. This is Mansory rewriting the definition of insanity with exposed carbon fiber everywhere, massive cooling intakes, wild aero add-ons, and not one, but two spoilers at the rear. This thing doesn't whisper luxury. It screams it so loud, the super yachts probably shook in their slips. The front fascia, completely reimagined. Lamborghini's iconic Y-shaped lighting has been reinterpreted with new DRL designs that look like daggers slicing through the night. The bumper, aggressive enough to scare traffic out of your lane without ever touching the horn. And at the back, a brand new triple tailpipe exhaust that doesn't just burble, it detonates like a symphony of thunder every time you step on the pedal. But wait until you see the shoes on this thing. We're talking about ultra-light forged 24-inch wheels, Mansory's FC.5 design, wrapped in tires so massive they make the Urus look like it skipped leg day and went straight to beast mode. 295 section rubber at the front, 355 at the rear. This isn't grip. This is gravity itself, bending to keep the Venatus glued to the earth. Step inside, and the madness continues. Forget options. Every single Venatus SE cabin is custom-built to the whims of its owner. Want purple leather with golden stitching? Done. Diamond quilted seats with your initials carved into them? Easy. Starlight headliner with your family crest embroidered above your head? Consider it finished before you've even signed the check. This isn't personalization, this is domination of interior design. But you know what really matters, what's under the hood. And oh boy, Mansory did not come to Monaco to play. The standard Lamborghini Urus SE makes a respectable 789 horsepower. Respectable, right? Not for Mansory. They cranked it to 11. Try 1,095 horsepower. Try 1,250 Newton meters of torque. This plug-in hybrid doesn't sip electrons. It weaponizes them. 0 to 60, a mind melding 2.8 seconds. Top speed, 206 miles per hour. That's Bugatti-level insanity in a family-sized SUV. And here's the kicker. The Venatus SE isn't just rare. It's almost mythical. Only 7 launch edition vehicles will ever be built. 7! That's fewer than the number of yachts parked in front of the Monaco casino at breakfast. Each one is fully bespoke, fully brutal, and fully Mansory. So let's recap. You've got a Lamborghini, tuned by Mansory, with 1,095 horsepower, unleashed at the Monaco Yacht Show, surrounded by billionaires, and only 7 in existence. Folks, this isn't a car. This is a flex so monumental, it makes skyscrapers jealous. The question is, would you actually drive it through the streets of Monaco, or would you just park it in front of the marina and let the world stare? Because make no mistake, the Mansory Venatus SE isn't just transportation, it's intimidation on 4 wheels.